Okay, then what I just did there was I just used some old pieces of leftover tin to go right there on that end where I had a little opening. And I think what I'm going to do is take this flower right here that Eric Holston gave me and set it right there to cover up, kind of hide the joints. Because I didn't come back and cut every one of them straight. I just put it up as it was. And, you know, it gives it personality. When you don't do it exactly the way that some people might think you should. If that is a good idea or not, but that's what I just said. I'm going to live with it. So, yeah, I'm going to take and move that flower over here, and I might take and move. You know, there's something about there's a word when everything is even, and Bill used to use it a lot, and I can't remember what it was. I'm going to say synchronicity, but that's not it. But there is a word that I can't remember. It means everything is equal to everything, and everything lines up, and sometimes that's a good thing. But sometimes, like for example, in the composition of a photograph, I remember reading once that it's more interesting if things aren't completely asymmetrical. Maybe that's the word I'm looking for. I don't know. So I'm going to asymmetricalize the shed. I might put two flowers on one end and a star on the other. Like that. I don't know. I haven't decided. I'm just asymmetricalizing the setup. See, I think I'll put the other star right there. Flower, right over there. Of course, at some point I'm going to want to pull these down because I'm going to put tar over the spots and over the holes. But not today. Today they're going right back up there. See, now, just for the sake of asymmetricalness, I'm going to move that star down there. Okay. Now I know that the building is in the shadow. I don't know if that'll keep you from being able to get a good look at it or not. And I got room for something in the middle. And I had talked about I might buy me a Coca-Cola stencil and do like a Coca-Cola sign in the middle or something. But for the moment, I'm just going to change that to like that. And we'll look at that for a few days, see what we think. Now I've also got some signs. I've got the tag that Mike Mayer gave me. And another sign that I want to put up over here. But I also want to take those doors down and do some welding on them to fix the little bolt thing that's going to go in the back. So I think what I'm going to do is drive the trailer up and park it right next to the door. Take one of those doors loose and let it fall over the trailer and take it around there and weld some metal to it that I have marked previously from the inside. So I'll let y'all sit just right here while I relocate some more.